You can hire a mediator like Rebecca or myself. We actually work with couples that don't have lawyers present during the mediation and try to resolve matters together. Normally, when people don't have lawyers present at the mediation, we would send them to lawyers to receive legal advice on a final settlement or maybe a particular part of your file, but overall, we're trying to work together to reach a resolution. Then you have a collaborative divorce process. As it suggests, it's collaborative, except in this case, each spouse has their own lawyer with specific collaborative training. We meet usually several times to try to resolve the issues together in a way that's going to work for the entire family. Your lawyer still has like a solicitor-client relationship with you, so they are only giving you advice that's sort of looking out for your best interest, but at the same time having an eye to what's going to work for the family and send you forward with a settlement that can work for your kids, work for you, and hopefully be done in like a respectful way. Then you have just traditional negotiation. You're not in a collaborative process, which is a completely out-of-court process. You actually sign a document to say you're going to stay out of court when you're in collaborative. Negotiation, you can still meet, try and hash things out, but you're not promising or actually contracting to say we're not going to go to court. You're just negotiating. The next step is mediation, where you have counsel, you have your own lawyers, and then you bring in a mediator. And often people will do that when they're getting close to starting a court action and want to know, is there any chance that we may settle out of court? The last process is court, or you can also do arbitration. Arbitration is like a court process, but done privately. So it's kind of like the public healthcare system and the private healthcare system, court being the public healthcare system, arbitration being private. They can make orders just like a judge, but it's done completely out of the public court system. The last piece, it's kind of separate from actual process, is just the communication style of your lawyer. Often there's a number of family lawyers out there that will write quite aggressive accusatory letters, and that can be very upsetting for the person on the receiving end. So just be mindful of, is your lawyer communicating in a way that you feel good about and agree with?